Welcome to the Health Club with Alicia's.
We want to start off our chicken livers by frying our onions and green pepper until they've caramelized. As soon as our onions and green peppers have caramelized, we're going to add our garlic flakes. Add a teaspoon. Now we're adding our rosemary. This is just after a minute of having our flakes being added. Chop some mushrooms, chili and onion. The onion should just be like a quarter of a bowl. Add your fresh chili and onions to your fried onions. Now you can add your chicken livers. Add your freshly chopped mushrooms to your livers. Chop one ball of tomatoes. Add your tomatoes to your fried livers. Add some black pepper to your chicken livers that has tomato. Immediately thereafter, add your Worcestershire sauce. Immediately thereafter, you can add your chicken spice. Now you can add your stir-fry veggies to your livers. Just add a handful. Now you can use any powdered soup of your liking. I just like this rich oxtail, and I suggest you mix it with cold water and not hot water. Now you're going to make your dumpling. I have a recipe or a video that I've uploaded on how to make your dumpling or dombolo. I'll add the link to the video on the description below, so just follow it and make your own dumpling and serve with your chicken livers. Enjoy.